Hey there, this is Jessica from DockerUP, a free tool to Dockerize your app. Today we'll be looking into Dockerizing a simple echo server, a Python socket server that echoes back any HTTP requests made to it. Since it's a script and doesn't have any requirements, we'll just enter its name and add a port to expose. We'll fetch port number from the official documentation. And now let's clone the repo and supply our generated Docker file. We'll invoke the build, and once it's done, fire it up with port mapping from repo documentation. It's a simple mapping of port 3246 from the container to our host. In order to verify it's working out of the box, we will use a given curl call from another terminal. It added a $sign, let's get rid of that, and it's working. Hope you'll find DockerUP useful. Peace!